Good morning, everybody. I hope you are having a wonderful, snowy, cold day. I am still in my pajamas, looking like a hot mess, but that's all right. I'm going to experiment with making the hot chocolate, where you put 8 ounces, I just spilled it, 8 ounces of coconut milk, although I'm using unsweetened almond milk because I don't have coconut. If I did have coconut, I would use it because I love it. So after that, I'm going to do 1 scoop of the chocolate protein, the Arbonne chocolate protein, which will yield 10 grams of protein. And then I'm going to put in, it says 1/8 of a teaspoon, I'm just going to do a little smidgen of vanilla. Now after I whisk this with a fork, I cannot wait for my frother to arrive. This looks and smells like any delicious hot chocolate you've ever had. Now I'm going to put the finishing touch. All right, cheers to hot chocolate. That's yummy. You got to try it.